Hey there foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the incredible world of buttermilk and why it deserves a spot in your daily diet. Stay tuned for 4 reasons that will make you reach for that buttermilk carton. Reason number 1, digestive power. Buttermilk contains probiotics that promote a healthy gut, aiding in digestion and keeping your stomach happy. Say goodbye to those post-meal discomforts. Reason 2, it's a nutrient boost in a glass. Packed with calcium, potassium, and vitamins, buttermilk is a wholesome addition to your diet. Get ready for a nutrient-packed punch to elevate your overall health. And for reason 3, weight management. Surprising, right? Buttermilk can be your secret weapon in maintaining a healthy weight. Discover the science behind it in just a moment. Last but not least, reason 4, culinary versatility. Buttermilk isn't just for drinking, it's a kitchen magician. Stay tuned as we share a quick and easy recipe that'll have you using buttermilk in your meals daily. There you have it, folks. 4 compelling reasons to embrace buttermilk in your diet. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Cheers to a healthier you.